How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. So there are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to fix the problem. First and foremost, make sure that you have strong internet connection in your mobile device. Swipe down your notification panel and then head over to your Wi-Fi settings, and here make sure that you are connected to a proper internet or proper Wi-Fi connection. And if that still doesn't help you, then you can switch your Wi-Fi connection with your data network or mobile network in your device as well. You can simply turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile data and check whether the problem can be solved or not. If still not, then open up the Play Store in your mobile device, and on the search bar search for Instagram. And if your app is missing out any of the updates, that might have been causing the problem, so you have to update your application. Once you search it in the Play Store, if your app is missing out any updates, you will get update option where I have open. So simply tap and update, and once your application is updated, refresh your application, log into your account and check whether the problem can be solved or not. If still not and you are not able to send the message in Instagram, then now open up the settings in your mobile device. After that, tap on apps. Now again tap on see all apps. Here search for Instagram and then tap on Instagram. Once you get to app info page of Instagram, from there tap on storage and cache and again tap on clear cache button. That will remove all the junk file of Instagram from your device, which may help you to fix the Instagram message issue. Now go back and check whether the message in Instagram is working or not. If still not, then you have to make sure that the Instagram server is working well, and that the server is not down. After you make that sure, check for your problem, and if that still doesn't help you, then the last option you have to do is contact to Instagram support center. So open up the Instagram application and from here tap on your profile icon and then again tap on three horizontal line from the top right corner. Here scroll down a bit and under more info and support, tap on help and then tap on report a problem. Here tap on report problem without checking and then again tap on include and continue. Now you can explain the problem that your Instagram message is not working properly, so you have to ask them to fix your problem as soon as possible, and then you can also share the screenshot here as well. After you do that, simply tap on send and the Instagram service center will contact you back and help you with your problem. So that was the way to fix the Instagram message problem. And that's all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.